2019, past Commandant, our friend, colleague, was Glenn Myers. For 2 years, he held the position of Commandant. He worked hard and passionately to grow the league every step of the way. He worked with people that normally we would not work with. He has brought in new members, and even to this day, even today, I was told that there's another person that may be joining us from over at Game Masters due to Glenn. His reach has been reaching far into the future for what he has done. He is the Marine of the Year from here on out, from this day forward, for 2018. Now last, for 2019, I cannot ask for a better person, for a better Marine to get this award for 2019. He has put our books together. He has fought tirelessly. He has dealt every day to get our books in shape, to get us to basically get us out of the red, and he has done an outstanding job. For 2019, which is the main award for today, is Steve King. Gentlemen, I thank you. You guys are the Marine of the Year for 2017, 18, and 19. Your Marines of the Year for 2017, 18, and 19. You'll be on the plaque. All right. Sergeant at Arms, please escort them back. And if I do things wrong, I apologize, and I will be asking for help from past commandants. All right. So, any announcements? We'll go on to any announcements?
Just an announcement, just maybe for next year, could you explain who all voted the Marines of the Year, and they should get it, both of them? I'm just saying, how was they selected? For the rest of the people, just start out so they know.
Okay. Be happy to put it all into play. All right. If there's any other announcements.
At the department convention this year, what I neglected to mention when I was up there earlier, is the department convention this year will be the same location it was in last year, which is Carlinville, Illinois, which I don't think would be all that far, for those who may wish to attend. Carlinville's, I'm going to say, 30 miles south of Springfield. Also, the following year, in 2021, Bill and I will be hosting the National Convention in Springfield. And those dogs who want to advance to a nice, pretty gold collar, I'm thinking you may have some people right now who are wearing a pup collar who can be wearing a gold collar by that National Convention in 2021. You're getting it right here in the state of Illinois. That's all that I have, sir. Sure.
Any other announcements?
Yes, sir, Commandant.
Yes, sir.
11 January, Detachment, Lincoln Land Detachment down in Greenville will be having our officer installation. It will be a free meal. Everybody likes free. And you all are invited down. It's just a short drive down. Ron and I made it a short drive tonight. So please come down if you are available.
They will show you how to make money. Guaranteed.
11 January.
So Saturday.
Happy hour starts at 6. If you're not happy,
I have an announcement over at Firehouse after this. We will be going over there for a drink after this for all Marines are invited and their wives and also associate members. I want to welcome once again the new Marines and the new associates. In that case, we will go ahead and proceed to closing ceremonies. All right. Turn it over to you.
membership pins to give out. I need to first make a statement. I wasn't aware new members got pins. As I was signed on as the paymaster, I started getting pins in the mail, but just I got one pin a month ago, didn't know what before, didn't say what it was. Then I got a light pin, so I called and found out. And so with further investigation, I found out that we should be giving out pins to new members for the last couple of years. I've not seen anything happen in the last 2-3 years on new pins. So we got a lot of catching up to do. The pins I'm going to present tonight, I'm going to keep in the order as they were presented to me from National. So the first one we'll give out is a light pin, and it goes to Steve Crabtree. I salute you, sir. Congratulations. It is a light pin. We have another member, John Summers. He joined us this summer. Step here now. Salute you, John. Congratulations. And for the others that are due pins, I hope to have a bag of pins next month to hand out, get started, but get caught up.
We do have the pins coming. We have worked on that, and Steve has worked effortlessly. And we have a game plan, and everybody will get their pins. So we will catch everybody up. I think it's since 2016. Am I correct?
No, since, let's say the fall of 2016.
All right. As a comment, I do want to say 2 things we will be doing, and I'm hoping that this will come. Be great. You notice the whiteboard's in here. We are going to do 2 things. Steve brought it to our attention. Everything else, we're going to have all the events and everything by February, the first Monday of February. So January, we're going to go over a few things in February for the entire year. In other words, we're going to have sign-up sheets. You guys are going to be aware of all of our main events. So if there's any new events, we will have enough time to get it out to everybody. But the events everywhere from parades to derbies to the Marine Corps birthday will all be done ahead of time. And that way it'll give at least 9 months for each event to be able to get it taken care of. We don't want to run into any more problems where last minute, and I think that's where our problems is. So we're going to go back to having sign-up sheets, and everybody's going to know when it is, times and dates. That way it's enough time so that, like I said, the Elks does a great job, but we should have had that ahead of time. And all of a sudden talking about a bar, that kind of stuff can be eliminated by having enough time and enough advance notice for the other parties involved also. So all of our events, there'll be enough time. Parades, you already know when the parades are going to be and stuff. We need to build our league. And as your commandant, I want to build this league. Not just talk about it, but out there. And I will be at every event. And I will be up there, and it's going to take a team. It's going to take all of us Marines out there every day. You guys have heard me say before in the past, there's too many Marines that don't know we exist. There's too many Marines out there that think we're just a meeting to have a meeting. Not anymore.